Welcome. In this video, we'll go step by step through how to turn on media previews on the X app, formerly known as Twitter. This quick setting lets images and videos show up directly in your feed, giving you a more visual and engaging browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and connected to the internet. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see your profile picture. Tap on it to open the side menu. From here, scroll down until you see the option that says Settings and Support. Tap on that to expand the menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. This section controls all your account, privacy, and display preferences on the app. Next, you'll see several categories. Choose the one that says Accessibility, Display, and Language. Inside, tap on Display. This is where you can fine-tune how the X app shows content on your feed, including font size, appearance, and media previews. Now, look for the option called Media Previews. There will be a toggle switch next to it. If it's off, images and videos won't appear until you open individual posts. To make your feed more visual, go ahead and toggle it on. As soon as you do, media content will start showing right in your timeline, making browsing quicker and more enjoyable. That's all it takes. You've successfully turned on media previews on the X app. From now on, you'll be able to see photos, GIFs, and video thumbnails without having to open each post. It's a small change that makes a big difference in how you experience your feed. If you ever decide you want a simpler text-only timeline again, just follow these same steps and switch the toggle off. Thanks for watching.